So as you can see here at Pal's this afternoon, the engine's coming out of the Dodge. It's May 26th, the beginning of our summer, where it will be 90, 100 degrees in the shop some days. Well, the hard part for the Dodge is over with now. All we've got to do is finish getting the engine out and then put the front end back on the car so it can go to paint and body. In the meantime, Jimmy will strip the engine, clean the engine up, reseal it, make sure everything's functional on it, and make it run and purr like a kitten. We're also going to rebuild the transmission in this vehicle to make sure the transmission is in good operating order, so this customer will have hours of seamless driving when he drives this vehicle. Boy, it's going to be a pretty car when it's done, that's for sure. So if you've got a car you want to have restored, need engine work, transmission work, bring it to Pal's. Hope to see you soon with your restoration job.